and here we are at the Alexandra Palace for the London Model Engineering Exhibition put on by Meridienne Exhibitions. What a beautiful place, what a magnificent venue. Really looking forward to getting inside and seeing what's going on. Hi, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Lovely to meet you.
Excellent. John Naylor, the chair of the Ministry of Steampunk. What an absolute privilege. And this place is absolutely magnificent. You must have, I don't know, probably 40 or 50 different articles here today.
Yeah, I've lost count of how many we've got. We've got everything from traditional brass goggles through to complete suits of armour and a TARDIS.
It's absolutely magnificent. Yeah, there's some beautiful artwork here. And also a little R2-D2 over there in the corner. We'll get some footage of that in just a few seconds. Give us an idea, what is steampunk?
Steampunk is a sort of cultural and creative arts movement that springs from the idea that you've got Victorian Britain or the Victorian world, but then throw in lots of imagination and science fiction. So it's Jules Verne's great-grandson.
Excellent, excellent. It reminds me a lot of The Time Machine.
Yeah, absolutely. H.G. Wells, another great inspiration.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So, I know obviously it's probably like me asking you to choose your favourite child, but what's your favourite article here? What's your favourite exhibition piece here?
Well, they've all got their own charms, they really have. We've got some ray guns built by Ian Crichton, otherwise known as Her Doctor, which are stunning examples of sort of mock weaponry, through to R2-D2, of course. But what do I like most? I think Darth Vader is my personal favourite.
Darth Vader.
Well, he's Vader's grandfather, isn't he? So.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
They're obviously all not made by one person. They're made by different people.
There's about 8 of us that are making it. About 8 of us are here today displaying our own work. We've all got our own specialisms. I tend to do a lot of one-to-one scale wearable objects and things like that. We've got 2 textile designers here who make a lot of the gowns and the corsetry and that sort of thing. One of our members over there, Guy, does an awful lot of sort of almost traditional engineering but with a modern slant, so using Arduino controllers and things like that.
Yeah.
Mark and Ian are both model makers, so their stuff's in scale model rather than one-to-one, so we've all got our own little niche.
Yeah. Chris.
Hi.
Chris, lovely to meet you, mate.
That's you.
How long has it taken you to put this K9 together?
K9 was a very fast build for me, so he was about 3 weeks work. About 3 weeks work, sort of evenings and weekends and such like.
Okay, not too bad at all. And then on the inside we've got some cogs and gears, as you'd expect to find in maybe steampunk.
Yep.
Lovely display panel on the top.
Bit of brass on there, bit of CNC cut brass work on the top there.
Okay,
Main body is built from styrene sheets, so sort of polystyrene, same sort of polystyrene you'd have in traditional plastic kits.
Okay. And when you say CNC cut, this is laser cut, is it?
No, by like a CNC router.
Like a router.
So,
okay,
router.
Fine. Yeah, understood. Yeah, and some lovely brass work going on there. That looks like a tea strainer.
It is indeed a tea strainer. Yeah.
Brilliant work.
Radar dish eyes.
That's absolutely brilliant work. So does this actually do anything?
Hopefully the gears go round now that I've changed the batteries. But I've built him as a static.
A static display.
Yeah, I was going to make him mobile, but I've decided to leave him static.
It's quite
move on to the next project.
It is quite complicated, isn't it, to add all of the appropriate.
Yeah, I mean it's not too bad. I mean I've done a mobile one for a friend of mine. I did the electronics and the motor work for a friend of mine, and obviously I've done the droid over there and Daleks and things like that in the past.
And if you're enjoying the content on Dubious Engineering, please don't hesitate to give us a big old thumbs up, and subscribe for more content in the future, and perhaps put a comment or two in the comment sections down below. Alright guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Take care, have a wonderful evening.